Scene script. Have you ever pondered what the future of medicine might look like? Let's delve into the dawn of a new medical era that's rapidly approaching, an era where medicine will be customized just for you. You heard it right, we're talking about personalized medicine. Personalized medicine, also known as precision or individualized medicine, is a medical model that separates people into different groups, with medical decisions, practices, interventions, and products being tailored to the individual patient based on their predicted response or risk of disease. It's an approach that allows doctors to select treatments that are most likely to help patients based on a genetic understanding of their disease. This could mean that two patients with the same disease could receive different treatments based on their unique genetic makeup. How amazing is that? This revolutionary approach is set to change the face of healthcare, with treatments being tailored to the individual and not just the disease. But how is this possible, you might ask? The answer lies within the human genome. By understanding the human genome, scientists can discover not only more about diseases but also how we, as individuals, may respond to treatments. This knowledge can lead to the development of new, more effective drugs and a better understanding of how and why diseases occur. So what are the benefits of personalized medicine? Well, for starters, it can lead to a decrease in the trial and error prescribing of medications. It can also help to prevent disease in the first place by identifying genetic predispositions. Furthermore, it can reduce the likelihood of adverse drug reactions, improve disease detection, and increase the efficiency of drug development. Imagine a world where treatment is not a one-size-fits-all approach, but rather a tailored map based on your unique genetic blueprint. The possibilities are endless and the benefits immense. Indeed, we are standing on the brink of a new era, where medicine becomes as unique as the individuals it treats. Imagine being able to rewrite your DNA, just like editing a document. Sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? But this isn't a plot from a Hollywood blockbuster. Rather, it's the stunning reality of modern gene editing technology, specifically CRISPR. CRISPR, which stands for Clustered Regularly Interspaced Short Palindromic Repeats, is a revolutionary technique that allows us to cut and paste sections of DNA. Picture a pair of molecular scissors that can snip out unwanted genetic material and replace it with a corrected version. This is essentially what CRISPR does. Now, why is this important? Well, many diseases, from cystic fibrosis to certain types of cancers, are caused by faulty genes. If we can correct these genes, we could potentially prevent or even cure these conditions. This is the promise of CRISPR. But it's not just about disease prevention and treatment. CRISPR could also be used to make changes to our genetic blueprint that could enhance our abilities. Imagine being able to edit genes for increased intelligence, or to slow down aging. The possibilities are almost endless. Yet, with these possibilities come profound ethical questions. If we can edit genes to prevent disease, should we also be allowed to edit genes for enhancement? Who gets to decide what constitutes an improvement? And who would have access to this technology? Would it be available to all? Or would it create a new form of inequality, where only those who can afford it can benefit? These are not hypothetical questions, they are real, and they are being debated right now as we stand on the brink of a new era in medicine. The power to edit life's blueprint is within our grasp, ushering in unprecedented possibilities and ethical dilemmas. It's an exciting yet challenging time as we navigate the uncharted waters of gene editing. The magic of gene editing is real and it's here to stay. The power to edit life's blueprint is within our grasp, ushering in unprecedented possibilities and ethical dilemmas. What if we could deploy an army of microscopic robots to fight diseases within our bodies? This isn't a line from a sci-fi novel, but rather, it's the fascinating premise of nanomedicine. Nanomedicine, as the term suggests, is the application of nanotechnology in the realm of healthcare. It's about using tools, knowledge, and techniques at the nanoscale, that's 1/1,000,000th of a meter, to understand, diagnose, and treat diseases. Imagine having the capability to manipulate molecules and atoms to address health issues. That's what nanomedicine aims to achieve. One of the most promising applications of this technology is targeted drug delivery. Instead of flooding our bodies with medication and hoping for the best, nanomedicine could allow us to deliver drugs directly to the affected cells. This would not only increase the effectiveness of the treatment, but also minimize side effects. Another exciting prospect of nanomedicine is early disease detection. As we all know, the earlier a disease is detected, the better the chances of successful treatment. Nanomedicine could provide ultra-sensitive detection of disease biomarkers, helping us to identify diseases at their earliest stages, often before symptoms even show up. But as with any groundbreaking field, nanomedicine is not without its challenges. There are questions about safety, cost, and practicality. How do we ensure these nanobots won't cause harm? How do we keep the costs down so that everyone can benefit from this technology? These are some of the issues that researchers are tirelessly working on. Despite these challenges, the potential of nanomedicine is undeniable. It's an area where the lines between science fiction and reality blur. This is a field that holds the potential to change our approach to healthcare, to make treatments more efficient, to detect diseases earlier, and ultimately, to save more lives. Nanomedicine, a field where science fiction and reality collide, promises to revolutionize healthcare in ways we can barely imagine. As we gaze into the future, what other medical innovations can we anticipate? Well, let's start with AI, or artificial intelligence. It's been making waves across various industries, and healthcare is no exception. AI in diagnostics, for instance, is a game changer. With its ability to analyze vast amounts of data swiftly and accurately, AI can potentially outperform human doctors in diagnosing diseases. It can sift through millions of medical records, research papers, and clinical trials in seconds, pinpointing patterns humans might miss. This could translate into earlier detection of diseases, more accurate diagnoses, and hence more effective treatments. Next on the horizon is 3D bioprinting of organs. Imagine a world where organ transplants don't involve long waiting lists or the risk of rejection. Instead, we could have a patient's cells used to print a new organ, tailor-made for them. This isn't mere science fiction, we're already seeing promising developments in this field. 3D bioprinting could revolutionize organ transplants, making them safer, more accessible, and eliminating the need for donors. And what about telemedicine? In a world increasingly connected by technology, healthcare is becoming less about hospital visits and more about virtual consultations. Telemedicine allows patients to consult with healthcare professionals from the comfort of their own homes, making healthcare more accessible, particularly for those in remote areas or with mobility issues. It's not just about convenience, though. Telemedicine can also lead to more regular checkups, better management of chronic conditions, and overall, improved health outcomes. These are just a few examples of the medical innovations we can look forward to. Each one holds the promise of transforming healthcare delivery, making it more efficient, accessible, and personalized. But it's important to remember that the future of medicine isn't just about the technology. It's about how we apply these advancements to improve human health, to prevent disease, and to heal. The future of medicine lies not just in new technologies, but in the innovative ways we apply them to improve human health. So, are we ready to embrace this brave new world of medicine? As we've journeyed through this exploration, we've seen the dawn of a new medical era. We've marveled at the magic of gene editing and the wonders of nanomedicine. We've glimpsed the horizon of medical innovations that are poised to revolutionize healthcare. These advances aren't just about treating diseases. They're about prevention. They're about enhancing human health. They're about prolonging life. They're about making our lives better. Gene editing, like the CRISPR technology, allows us to change our biological destiny. It gives us the power to edit our genes, to fix what's broken, to eliminate what's harmful. This isn't just about curing diseases, it's about stopping them before they start. Nanomedicine, on the other hand, takes us inside the human body, to a microscopic level. It allows us to target diseases with precision, to deliver drugs where they're needed most, to fight cancer cells one by one. And then there are the medical innovations on the horizon, the ones we can't even imagine yet, the ones that will make today's medicine look like ancient history. But to effectively harness these innovations, we need ongoing research. We need to understand these technologies, to know their limits and their potential. We need to consider the ethical implications, to ensure that these advances benefit all and harm none. And we need public awareness. We need to understand what these technologies can do and what they can't. We need to be informed, to make wise decisions about our health and our future. As we stand on the brink of this brave new world, let's remember that medicine is not just about curing diseases. It's about improving lives. It's about making the world a healthier place. And with these new advances, we have the power to do just that. As we step into the future, the story of medicine continues to unfold, promising a healthier and brighter tomorrow for all.